On this Honda CR-V, B1036 points to an IG1 power supply circuit malfunction seen by the MICU, the Multiplex Integrated Control Unit. In plain terms, the module may not be seeing the ignition power feed the way it expects. The vehicle may have body electrical symptoms, intermittent operation, or the code may simply come back during a scan. Possible fault areas can include the IG1 feed path, wiring between the underdash fuse and relay box and the gauge control module, or loose and poor connections. If other codes are present, check what they mean first and handle the beacon system checks before narrowing in on B1036. Start by clearing the DTCs with the HDS. After the codes are cleared, turn the vehicle to the OFF, lock mode, and then back to the on mode. Once it is back on, wait for at least 6 seconds. Then check for DTCs again with the HDS and see whether B1036 is indicated. If B1036 comes back during that check, the diagnostic direction is the IG1 power supply wiring. Repair an open or high resistance in the wire between the underdash fuse and relay box and the gauge control module. If B1036 does not come back, treat it as an intermittent failure. The system is okay at this time, so check for loose or poor connections instead of forcing a repair that the test did not support. The key with B1036 is not to guess at parts. Clear it, cycle the vehicle, wait for at least 6 seconds, and let the return check tell you whether you are chasing a current IG1 circuit problem or an intermittent connection issue. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.